Have you ever wondered how some people manage to escape a life of financial hardship and achieve the prosperity they dream of? I asked myself this question for years, until I discovered a simple but powerful financial plan that completely changed my trajectory. In this video, I will show you how it is possible to transform your financial reality step by step with practical strategies that anyone can apply. If you are tired of living on the edge of your income, accumulating debts and not seeing a way out, stay until the end. I will share my tried and tested method for building wealth in a sustainable way and achieving the financial freedom you have always wanted. Many people live on the edge of their income, accumulating debts and not seeing a clear way out. Imagine working hard every month, but always having little or nothing left at the end. It seems impossible to get out of this situation, right? But it is not. How many times have you felt like you were stuck in a cycle of scarcity without knowing how to change your financial reality? The problem is that many do not know a clear plan to organize their finances, eliminate debts, and start investing. To understand better, we need to talk about the central concept of this financial plan. It consists of three fundamental pillars: organization, debt elimination, and wealth building. Organization begins with a detailed budget, where you identify unnecessary expenses and adjust your spending habits. Debt elimination follows efficient methods, such as the snowball or avalanche method, prioritizing the smallest or most expensive debts first. Finally, wealth building involves smart investments, even starting with little money. With discipline, these small steps can generate extraordinary results over time. Now let's explore practical strategies to implement this financial plan. First, organize your finances by creating a detailed budget. List all your expenses and identify where you can cut unnecessary ones. For example, I realized that I was spending $100 per month on subscriptions that I didn't even use. Next, focus on eliminating your debts. Pay off the smallest ones first to gain motivation, or attack the most expensive ones to save interest. Then, start investing. Even with $50 or $100 per month, you can invest in affordable options such as savings, direct treasury, or ETFs. Finally, explore ways to increase your income based on your skills. Create an online course, offer digital services, or develop a small side business. So, how can you get started today? First, assess your current financial situation. List your debts, income, and expenses. Then create a detailed budget and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Prioritize paying off debt using efficient methods like the snowball or avalanche method. Start investing, even if it's just small amounts, and reinvest your initial profits to accelerate your growth. Finally, explore ways to increase your income based on your skills and interests. With these simple steps, you'll be on your way to building financial freedom. To inspire you even more, I want to share real stories of people who achieved financial independence. One example is John, who eliminated all his debt in 2 years by following the snowball method. Another is Mary, who started investing $100 per month in an index fund and now lives off passive income. And then there's Peter, who created an online course on something he already knew how to do and multiplied his income fivefold. These stories show that with planning and consistency, it is possible to achieve your goals. Unfortunately, there are still many myths and doubts that prevent people from starting to build their wealth. One of these myths is that you need a lot of money to invest. In fact, it is possible to start with just $50 or $100 per month. Another myth is that it is too late to change your financial situation. It is never too late to start building wealth. Some people are afraid of failing. Remember, failure is part of the process, and the important thing is to learn and adjust your strategy. In addition, financial education plays a crucial role in the success of investors. Continuously learning about personal finances can transform your perspective and improve your decisions. Books such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, podcasts about investing, and free online courses can expand your knowledge. Small learnings such as understanding basic concepts of discounted cash flow or margin of safety can lead to big changes in your financial behavior. Remember, the more you know, the less fear you have. Another important point is to learn to control your emotions when dealing with money. The financial market is volatile, and economic crises can generate panic. However, impulsive decisions during times of uncertainty can compromise your long-term goals. One effective technique is to maintain a clear plan and review it regularly. For example, Anna, a fictional investor, faced a global economic crisis, but maintained a long-term focus and resisted the temptation to sell her assets. Today, she is reaping the benefits of this discipline. Remember, the market will always fluctuate, but emotional control is your greatest ally. Looking ahead, it is important to keep an eye on new trends emerging in the world of finance. Cryptocurrencies, fintechs, and ESG, environmental, social, and governance investments, are rapidly gaining ground. These options can complement traditional strategies, but it is essential to remember that the basics never go out of style. Focus on building a solid foundation with budgeting, debt elimination, and simple investments before exploring riskier alternatives. Keeping up with innovations is important, but never lose sight of your main goals. Small changes in daily habits can yield extraordinary results. For example, saving $5 a day can turn into thousands over the years. Resetting your financial habits is crucial to achieving abundance. The right mindset is also essential. Overcoming limiting beliefs about money and adopting a growth mindset can be the difference between success and failure. Think like the rich. They focus on opportunities, not limitations. In short, the secret to transforming your financial life is consistency, planning, and discipline. Starting now, even with small amounts, puts you ahead of most people your age. Remember, the future begins with the choices you make today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If this video helped you understand how to break out of the cycle of scarcity and build wealth, leave a like and share it with other people who also want to change their lives. Subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and financial transformation. Remember, the future begins today. Invest in your financial education and build the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.